Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing the Google Ads Remarketing tag or linking Analytics 4 so audiences populate fast. Add the global site tag on every page and place event snippets for key actions. Once done, build an audience of recent visitors. Choose a 30 to 90-day window depending on purchase cycle. Make sure to set membership duration and exclude converters if you want to avoid showing ads to recent buyers. This gets you real user data to retarget immediately. Next, create your remarketing campaign. Pick display for wide reach, search remarketing for high intent, or YouTube for visual re-engagement. Segment audiences into meaningful groups like cart abandoners versus product viewers because you'll want different messages. Then craft tailored creatives, dynamic product feeds for cart abandoners, special offers for lapsed users, and broad reminders for casual visitors. Also set bid adjustments, frequency caps, and exclude irrelevant placements. Finally, monitor performance closely, track conversions, CPA, CTR, and view through conversions to see real impact. /B test creatives, bids, and audience windows, pause low performers and scale winners. If audiences aren't populating, verify the tag with Tag Assistant, check that cookie consent isn't blocking data, and confirm linked accounts. Make sure audience size meets minimum thresholds, otherwise expand windows or combine lists. One key tip: if conversion tracking looks off, recheck pixel firing before changing bids.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.